Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to hold a Skype video conference open to anyone. Open your web browser. Copy and paste the link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Go to the right side pop-up. Add a video call name. Click on Create a free video call button. You will see a link that you can share with anyone you want, so they can join your call. If you click on Share Invite button, you will see a list of options you can use to share the link. Copy link, send it via mail, share the link to social media, and so on. Any person with a link will be able to join the call. They can join the call as a guest or use their own Skype account. When you join via link, you can start the meeting, go to chat, and share the link to the call. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!